The 52-inch Etris is a contemporary style ceiling fan with energy-saving LED lighting that is perfectly suited for large rooms. We'll show you how to install the fan with step-by-step instructions. If you would like to skip ahead to a specific part of the installation, pause the video and use this menu for reference. Otherwise, continue watching for the complete installation guide. Copy the UPC number located on top of your motor assembly in case you ever need to contact customer service. If you feel that you do not have enough electrical wiring knowledge or experience, have your fan installed by a licensed electrician. Installation requires an installed ceiling outlet box that is UL listed and acceptable for fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a Phillips screwdriver, a stepladder, a wire stripper, electrical tape, and about 1 hour to install the fan. With your equipment ready and your new ceiling fan unpacked, you can now begin the installation. Before getting started, turn off power at the breaker. First, prepare the canopy assembly by removing the bottom canopy cover. Unscrew the non-slotted mounting bracket screw. Loosen the remaining slotted screw. The hanger bracket can now be removed. Prepare the motor coupling by removing the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the two collar set screws. On the hanger ball downrod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the downrod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. Next, assemble the fan by feeding the motor's wires through the downrod and inserting it onto the motor's collar. Align the holes on the downrod with the holes on the collar, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the two collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, bottom canopy cover, and canopy onto the downrod. Then carefully reinstall the hanger ball. To attach the mounting bracket, remove the two screws in the ceiling box and pass the supply wires through the center hole. Then place the bracket over the screw holes and insert the removed screws. Tighten both screws securely. Carefully bring the fan up to the ceiling and slide the hanger ball into the hanger bracket to hold it up. The tab on the mounting bracket will need to align with the groove in the hanger ball. Bring the receiver up to the ceiling box. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, downrod, and hanger bracket together. Then connect the white AC wire to the neutral wire in the box, and the black AC wire to the hot wire in the box. Connect the white wire from the receiver and the fan together. Connect the black wire from the receiver and the fan together. Finally, connect the blue wire from the receiver and the fan together. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Then push the wires neatly into the box. Slide the receiver into the hanger bracket with the flat side facing up. Finally, assemble the canopy by sliding it up to the ceiling and twisting it into place over the screw on the hanger bracket. Insert the removed screw and tighten both screws securely. Slide the bottom canopy cover up to the canopy and align it over the two screws. The fan is now properly mounted and the rest of the fan body is ready to be installed. Bring the fan blade up to the fan and insert it through one of the slots on the motor. Then align the blade support plate over the fan blade holes. Insert and tighten the blade screws. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. Remove one of the screws from the mounting ring and loosen the remaining two. Bring the mounting plate up to the fan. Align and twist the plate over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws to secure it in place. Remove one of the screws from the mounting plate and loosen the remaining two. Bring the LED light kit up to the fan and connect the 2-pin wire connectors. Align and twist the light kit over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws to secure it in place. Bring the glass shade up to the fan and align it under the motor. Press and turn until snug. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. To avoid interference from other fans or devices, the remote and receiver frequencies can be changed. Flip the codes in the receiver and in the battery compartment of the remote to create a new matching frequency. The dip switch codes must match or the fan will not function. Install a battery into the remote to begin using the fan. A remote control holder with wall mounting screws is also included with the fan, mounted on any wall to hold the remote. The speed buttons allow you to cycle through the different fan speeds. The light button allows you to turn the light on or off. Holding the button will allow you to cycle through the different brightness settings. The reverse switch is used to change the direction of the fan. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise and push air downward to create a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise and cycle warm air off the ceiling. Note that the fan should be stopped before changing the direction of the blade rotation. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. Want more details or have any questions? Just call the customer service number in your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.